Hello everyone. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can bypass all the short links. First open your Chrome and then search for Temper Monkey. As you can see, it's an extension and you have to add it to your Chrome. Add this extension to your Chrome. After you have done adding it, you have to search for this link. I will provide this link in the description. And then paste this link. Now you have to install this script, bypass all short links script. Now install the script, click on install, and you have to install this script also. It's called additional bypass. Click on install. Now you are all done. For the testing purpose, I'm going to add fly. And suppose I'm typing google.com, shrink, and now I have to test it. This is a short link. As you can see, it is bypassed successfully. Now it will take me to the google.com. So if you like this video, please subscribe and do support. Thank you.